Welcome to the next lesson in the series of tabletop sculpture, and we are building now the small town based of geometrical forms, and the next will be the cone. How do we make the cone? Well, actually I will tell you. You will get the cone if you try to make a ball, a sphere. If you roll the piece like this, do you think you will get a ball? No, you will get something conical, because you're going in one direction around circle, and your piece rolls around one surface, flat surface, and you're getting the cone. Well, okay, this way we usually come to some like flat cones, but let's continue from this point. We could have made a cylinder first and then roll the cone, but let's try to roll the cylinder around this cone. So I will put the cone like this, and I will have a very controlled pressure and rotation to press from the top and here and here, and I will always fix the mistakes, some errors, and I will press more and more and more, and I will get my cone. So, is it good? Not so much. So I will change my system, so I will really make a cylinder, the tower. Let's make the tower. And now I will do what I didn't want to do. Now, previous time, here I have the hole, and I will just hide it. I don't want to fix it. I have some other things to do. So it will stay here and nobody will see it. But here I have some beginning of the cone, and I will just continue to make it again. I'm taking my cylinder and I am rolling the top part very smoothly. I have to keep this angle the same, you see, not like this, but I have to keep it the same. I have to, well, just look at my hand and look at this line all the time and make it really the same angle. Yeah. Well, actually you can help yourself with your fingers and press like this, but make the pressing, press it very slightly and turn it all the time. I mean, turn it all the time. You see, now it becomes more visible, sharper and higher. Okay, but I want to make the roof well, it's not flat, but I want this line to be straight. So I will press more here and straighten up the edge of the line of the cone, you see, more or less. So I have some mess down here, but I will not bother about it, because I have this knife, and I will now go do the same as we did this way here with this roof. I will press and I will go around. Since I have no flat surfaces, I will just roll it around, and my wall will go inside and the roof will stay outside. Well, why don't I have here the mark of the second side? Well, because I'm pressing not like this, but I'm pressing a little bit at an angle like this, and so my tower is also not exactly symmetrical. It's a little bit conical. I can fix it if I want it to be symmetrical. I can fix it like this. I don't know how to fix it on the table because here I have already the edge of the tower of the. Maybe I can press like this, you see? Yes, that's the option. Just one by one, press it a little bit, and you will get a straighter cylindrical form. So, okay, how to fix here that it is sharper? No, the same as here. I am using my fingers, but I'm not pulling it too much. So here you should, like, I see this angle that I wanted to achieve, and I am applying this angle to the edge of the roof, and I've got my conical shape. Right, now I will fix this a little bit again so that it is more, so that it is straighter, and here I will press a little bit so that I don't see those marks of my fingers, these marks. And here the marks, well, I can leave them, but anyway, should I make maybe I can smear it, I can smoothen it like this. My finger is not sharp enough to go inside, so I have to make it with a tool. Great. Now we've got our conical roof, and we will make decorations and openings here in the next video. Thank you for your attention.